In this video, we're going to go over how the BI admin can use Datalogz to view activity history from their Power BI connectors. They can set one up here, schedule it to be run on a daily or weekly schedule, and all that activity will flow into this chart view along with a table view that we can toggle here. We can start to see the activities that users' dashboards, data sets and reports have on them in our environment, and we can also start to look at changes that are being made to our assets. So here we see that a report was renamed. This is not too consequential. The name looks like it stayed pretty much the same, so I don't believe any downstream users would have any issues finding this. But if we look at maybe the dataset changes, we can see that a dataset was edited here, and this measure was changed to use max instead of, or min instead of max. And so this is a pretty fundamental change to this measure, and through Datalogz, we can help you identify when changes are being made at scale, and you can set up notifications and operations to take place automatically that help keep your users and your BI environment up to speed on the latest change logs.